Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something fun and little bit challenging. A speed design challenge. Create a logo in just 10 minutes using Canva. I will show you my process from start to finish and we'll see what we can come up with in such a short time. Are you ready? Let's get started. Alright, here are some rules. I have just 10 minutes and I will be designing a logo from scratch using Canva. No pre-made templates, just pure creativity and speed. I will walk you through my thought process as I go, so you can pick up some tips and tricks along the way. Let's see what we can create. So, time starts and go. Okay, first things first. Let's start with the concept. I'm thinking of creating a logo for a coffee shop like Brew and Beans. It should feel cozy, inviting, and a bit modern. To start, I'm going to choose a background color that represents coffee, maybe a deep brown or a rich cream color. You can select your own choice color, something that gives off that coffee vibe. Now let's add some text. I will choose a clean modern font for the word brew and something a bit more playful for beans. Font choice is crucial here. It needs to convey the right mood. You can choose any font from these. Let me choose these fonts. You can copy me. Next, I will search for some icons that represent coffee. Canva has a great library for icons and graphics. So let's see what we can find. I found this simple coffee icon that works well. You can select any of them. Let's place it next to the text and I will adjust the size to make sure everything is balanced. Now that the basic elements are in place, it's time to refine. Let's play around with the alignments, spacings and colors to make sure everything looks perfect. I'm also going to add a subtle shadow behind the text to give it some depth. With just a few minutes left, I'm going to add a border or maybe a simple shape behind the logo to tie it all together. This helps give the logo a more complete and polished look. And time's up. Let's take a look at what we have created. So here it is, the logo for Brew and Beans. In just 2 minutes, we have managed to create something simple, clean and fitting for a coffee shop brand. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out considering the time limit. Now that the challenge is over, here are a few tips to help you with speed designing. Have a concept in mind. Knowing what you want to create before you start can save a lot of time. Use simple elements. Stick to basic shapes, fonts and icons to avoid overcomplicating the design. Keep an eye on the clock. Time management is key. Don't spend too long time on one element. Focus on balance. Even in a rush, make sure your design is balanced and visually appealing. That's it for today's speed design challenge. I hope you enjoyed watching the process and picked up some useful tips. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design challenge and tutorials. Let me know in the comment if there is another design challenge you would like to see me try next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.